Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Ethernet VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Ethernet connection. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Ethernet users? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data stays safe from snoopers anytime you plug in. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never risk exposing your real IP on your wired connection. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers you connect to over Ethernet. But the places they differ, that's what really matters for your Ethernet setup. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Ethernet because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of trackers or scams, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you create secure, private connections with friends or devices over your Ethernet network. The one small negative, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit? Totally a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can cover your PC, smart devices, and anything else plugged into Ethernet, all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Ethernet user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable, reliable connection for Ethernet users. And for anyone plugging in who needs the lowest possible latency, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy to help route your traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed advantage. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Ethernet? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother streaming and faster downloads on your wired connection. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with speeds that can dip depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed and low latency are your top priority, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features for your Ethernet setup. Go with IPVanish if you have a lot of devices or a whole household relying on Ethernet connections. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for your Ethernet connection. See you soon.